An envelope. I forgot there was an envelope, and Jeff sent me a little bit of swag. He sent me one of his stickers. We'll have to get that posted up. Thanks, Jeff. Okay, we got a couple packaging here. This first one, I've been doing a lot of dry firing, and I thought, well, I'm gonna pick up some dummy rounds, 9mm and 45 ACP, and it's called, the company is 3D Print Nation. And I got 13 of each one. They've got a neat little, been using it. Let's see if I can get this, show you here. It's got a polymer insert in there for the firing pin. Not so much for striker fire, but for the hammer fired guns. Works a little better. I know CZ, you have to be careful. You break the pin. And I know Springfield don't recommend dry firing theirs. We got, like I said, 13 of them. 9mm and 13. I think it comes with a 12-pack, but they give you 13. And they give you a neat little get this in, chamber flag. You know, in some competitions, or if it's a cold range you're at, a lot of times they want you to flag it. It gives you a nice little flag. And it's cold weather, plus ammunition shortage. Been doing an awful lot of dry firing. And that's what we got from them. And it came from 3D Print Nation out of Mooresville, North Carolina. I don't know if you can see that or not. Second, I have a package here. This is from Gun Wild 1. Well, he had a giveaway here last month sometime, and EMT Railfan won it and paid it forward to me, which was awful nice of him. Check out Gun Wild 1 and EMT Railfan. Both great guys. And I've been wanting to get one of these because down the firearm guy's been using one. I've seen Rich 1911 use one. And they are pretty slick. And it's a FAS Foam Action Sport shooting rest. A lot of you guys seen some of my shooting last summer where I shot out the hood of the car and using my range bag. This will come in real handy. Like I said, the giveaway was Gun Wild 1, EMT Railfan won it and paid it forward to me. And I'm much appreciative of that. As soon as the weather cools down, warms up some, and plus some of the snow gets away, where I can get out to the gravel pit, we'll put this baby to use. It's definitely a firm rest. A couple different heights you can go to. Looks like some of the grooves are different depths too. And this one don't have one on the bottom, where some of them I've seen has it on all four sides. And that makes it real nice for really setting it flat to use it for a rifle rest. So just a couple little goodies that we got here, and thought I'd share it with you. I think these cost like $14 or $15 for a package. The 45, of course, comes with the chamber flag also. And they are an actual brass, polymer bullet, polymer insert. Well, there you go. Thought we'd just show that a little bit. Thank you, Gun Wild. Thank you, EMFT Railfan, for paying it forward to me. I much appreciate it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces, past and present. Ooh, it's cold out here in this garage.